Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 18th of July. Warren Venketas joins us now from Daily FX with his view on a trade to watch out for, an event to hinge it against. What are you looking at, Warren?
Morning, Jeremy, and thanks for having me. So my risk event for next week revolves around the ECB interest rate decision and therefore the euro and more specifically euro dollar. To begin with the US economy, they've sort of set the scene for a 100 basis point rate hike in the next Fed rate announcement. And this is slowly gaining traction after we've seen sticky US inflation, which was supported by yesterday's PPI beat. From a euro perspective, we've seen economic sentiments plummet within the eurozone, while Italian politics have managed to widen the Italian government bond to German Bund spread, which is obviously gloomy for Italy and by extension, the eurozone. Finally, we have the looming energy crisis in Europe via Nordstream 1. Nordstream 1 is a major gas pipeline connecting Russia and Europe. So this has been offline for routine maintenance as reported and is scheduled to come back online on the same day as the ECB interest rate decision next week, Thursday. So a lot of volatility around that. We're not sure if it will come back online due to political uncertainty or not. If we look at the ECB, they have pre-announced a 25 basis point rate hike next week. There is a possibility for hawkish surprise around that 50 basis point mark, and money markets are currently sitting around 30 to 35 basis points as we speak. From a trade setup perspective, we have the daily euro-dollar chart on screen. We've seen euro-dollar bears knock at the parity door several times this week without managing a daily candle close below parity support. But I believe under the current fundamental backdrop, the December 2002 swing low at 0.9854 is on the cards. So I'll be looking at a short euro dollar heading into that ECB rate announcement with a stop around the recent swing high at 101.22 for a slight positive risk to reward ratio. That being said, come Thursday, should Nordstream 1 come back online and the ECB hawkishly surprise with a 50 basis point rate hike, or anything above 25 basis points, this could invalidate this short-term bearish outlook. So basically, the outcome of these two risk events will determine the short-term directional bias thereafter. So a lot to look out for next week, Thursday.
Great. Warren, thanks so much indeed. One of the key trades to watch out for around that ECB decision. Warren Venketas there from Daily FX with the euro-dollar trade around the ECB interest rate decision. That's the risk event for the week starting Monday, July the 18th.